This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Gardening Spirit Boosters, I am just doing an update on my cosmos that I planted, the seeds from seeds. They are doing great. I fed them a little something, and look how big they got. They love it. If y'all can remember what they looked like last time, this one getting a little bigger. This is getting new leaves. My little lemon tree. Oh man. Fertilizer, food for the plants works wonders. Look how it even loves it on the sunflowers. They got big too. Everything I put it on, it got bigger. And I set my little lemon plant out here and it revived. It was dying in the inside. Let me turn it. It's starting to perk back up. Oh, let me share. I'm getting more flowers on my marigold. Look at all the new buds. I love my marigold. What else I'm trying to share with y'all? Let's see. Here is my other plant. I fed it too, and it's getting big. Let me see. Do we have another one? Hold up, y'all. Uh-oh. I fed my rosemary, and it appears to be getting bigger, healthier. It's still alive, so it likes being fed. I gave it a little food, yeah, so I just came out here, check on my balcony garden, see what's going on. Look at my little watch chain. See that plant right there? That's a watch chain, and it's nice, lush and green. I love it. Y'all got a watch chain plant? They're easy to grow, easy to propagate. I just take a leaf and just poke it in the dirt, and it grows. That's all. And what the heck? This is the mystery plant. It's still hanging in there. Yeah. What else I got? Did I share that with y'all? I sure did. But yeah, I just had to come through and share with y'all my babies, my flowers. I hope to have soon. I got another little thing. Hold up. Okay, y'all, take a look at this plant here. What y'all think this is? Can you recognize the leaves? And look at that fuzzy looking thing right there on the tip. Inside of here, I threw a bunch of bell pepper seeds. I don't know if I put apple, lemon, I don't know. But I threw a bunch of any and everything up in this pot, because I was desperate and I wanted to see what was gonna grow. I threw a bunch of, I think, bell pepper seeds in here. That's the elephant plant. Looks so cute. And my cute spider plants. And here's the ivy plant doing good. What I'm trying to share with y'all. Oh, here's another succulent plant of mine right there. Y'all know the name of that one? I think it's a jade, but it's a frosty jade. I think that's how it's named. But yeah, I got all these different seeds I tossed in this plant right here, but this one, Y'all think that's a bell pepper plant? Is that the bell pepper leaf? Let me know. Susie, you might know. Patricia, you might know. Whichever one of y'all. Irene, you know. Hey, Irene. Patricia, Susie. Rooftop Gardener. What that lady name? Dang, I can't pronounce some of y'all name, but welcome back, all y'all. Ooh, my little plant over there needs some water. But yeah, we're gonna have to come back and do another update on this here, because I'm not familiar. If y'all know what this plant is, let me know. And I got a whole bunch of more I'm growing in there. Y'all recognize those leaves? Hey. Uh-oh, sorry, I got to move that over. Went a little bleary on you, went a little bleary. I don't know why my little bird nest plant is trying to die on me. It must not like its home right there. I don't think my bird nest like where it's at. This plant, I moved it out the sun. It's doing better. And this one, I'm about to bring it in the house. I got to clean it up. See all those dead leaves on there? Got to be cleaned up. And I'm bringing that baby in the house. I forgot the name of it. If y'all know, say so in the comments. Okay. And here go my babies that always come back. These rosettas. Okay, y'all. It's supposed to rain today. I don't know. But look like y'all getting a mini balcony garden update video. More elephant plant, another spider, my creeping Charlie. I had put some nutrition on it too. I love the creeping Charlie. It's an evasive plant, but I love it. Okay, here's one of my dang cacti. This the cacti, you cactus people. It just stay ready. Y'all remember the name of this one? Do y'all know the name of that one? My little baby hanging in there, it died. But other than that, we'll see what happens. Just a little old update. Thanks for your time and support.